This is fully automatic brushless centrifugal machine having preset controls. Like from here you can increase the RPM or decrease the RPM. Like we want to run the machine at 3000 RPM. Okay, again press the start button. Now for what particular time you want to run the machine, like we want to run the machine for 2 minutes. Again press start button. Now these parameters are saved. Now you will pleased to see the machine is start moving. You can also increase or decrease the RPM. Door open, please close the door. There is a limit switch. When the door is open, the machine will automatically paused. There are two type of heads, angle head and the swing out head. Swing out means flying head. This is the flying head fitted with 16 tube. You having an optional, and we can also fix 8 tube head, 12 tube head. This is swing out. In angle head, the positioning of the tubes are fixed. In this pattern, the tube flies. So though there are two type of rotors that we can fix. Again we close the door. The machine will automatically goes that the command we have given to the machine.